will show you how to access the content inside a group in Procreate Dreams. Feel free to follow the instruction in the description box below so that you can download this exact file to follow along. In case that you have received someone else's file and everything is neatly organized and you want to access, you want to see what's in each group. So what you want to do is to zoom in to find out that name of the group and then tap on this little right arrow to expand it. And in that way, you can see everything inside a group. And you can also collapse that group by tapping on the downward arrow, and that will bring everything back to the drawer. So this is how you expand and collapse a group inside Procreate Dreams. I will see you in the next video.